Hello, today we have a second video in our learning course how to create a YouTube channel. Today we will discuss how to make a description under the video and how to create a clickable title. Also today we will discuss where to get topics and information for the presentation of your products. So first of all, I'll show you how to make a description under your video. So you need to press there, then you need to go to YouTube Studio, press on the settings, upload defaults, and here you have a basic info about your channel that will be stated under the video, so the title and the description. So in description everything should be write really shortly, and you need to write down there all the information that you want to convey to your viewers, your contacts, a short information about yourself, and a short video content. So now let's go to the next topic of our video, is how and where you could find the topics and theses for your videos. I'll place a link under the video in which there will be played with topics. These themes can be used by users in their GLIZE releases. So then I want to talk with you how to create a plan, a shortly plan of creation your videos. So first of all, you need to choose an idea and a topic for a video. Then you need to invent and type the text in Word or Google Doc. If necessary, you need to create a PowerPoint presentation. Then when you create your video with a video camera, you need to put on good clothes that will match the topic of your video and appropriate hairstyle. Then you need to prepare all your equipment, record yourself on a video camera. Then you need to make a video recording on the presentation with the computer screen. That you need to use a special program, then transfer the video from the camcorder to the computer, edit the video and post it to the YouTube channel. So, and to the end, I want to talk about the video optimization and the practical communication skills by creating the video. So the brevity is the sister of talent. If your news or analytic videos, you should describe the issue of your video briefly and using the facts. Then your listeners will understand you better. In the next video, we will talk about how to create a video title and how to work with some video editing software. So thank you for your attention and have a nice day.